What if you could make money while you sleep? In this video, I'm sharing 5 incredible facts about passive income that will change the way you think about earning money. You won't want to miss these. Passive income is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, and yet, many people don't fully understand how it works. So let's break it down and reveal 5 incredible facts about passive income that will inspire you to start earning money on autopilot. Fact 1. It doesn't require a 9-to-5 job. One of the most amazing things about passive income is that it allows you to earn money without being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job. Unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income works for you even when you're not working. It's about creating income streams that generate money on their own, whether that's through investments, real estate, or a digital product. Fact 2. It can come in many forms. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to passive income. Some of the most popular forms include rental income, owning real estate and renting it out to generate steady cash flow. Dividends from stocks, earning money from shares of companies that pay you regular dividends. Royalties from creative work. If you write a book, create music, or produce art, you can earn royalties whenever someone purchases or uses your work. Affiliate marketing, promoting products online and earning a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. With so many options, it's easy to find the right fit for you. Fact 3. It builds over time. Passive income is a long-term game. While it may take time to set up a solid passive income stream, the beauty is that the work you do now can continue to pay you for years to come. Whether it's through building an online business, investing in stocks, or purchasing rental properties, your initial effort compounds over time. This is how wealth is built, slowly but steadily. Fact 4. It's scalable. Unlike active income, where you're limited by how many hours you can work, passive income is scalable. The more you invest in passive income streams, the more you can earn. For example, you can scale up by acquiring more rental properties, increasing your investment portfolio, or creating more products to sell. This means the sky's the limit when it comes to the income potential. Fact 5. It frees up your time. One of the greatest benefits of passive income is that it gives you the freedom to do what you love. Once you've set up your passive income streams, they continue to earn money while you focus on other things, whether that's traveling, spending time with loved ones, or working on new projects. It's about gaining financial freedom and reclaiming your time. So now that you know these incredible facts about passive income, what's stopping you from starting your own journey? The opportunities are endless, and the potential is huge. If you enjoyed this video and want more money smart tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who could benefit from building passive income streams. Stay tuned for more videos to help you build your wealth and live life on your own terms.